This is the Scion XB roof. If you see here, there's still a lot of imperfections here that we need to sand down. Like I said before in the other video, we don't have to go all the way to the bare metal, which we're doing here. Right here, that's bare metal. You see here, you can see that gray primer, and this is the metal, bare metal right here. So we don't have to go all the way down there, but you know, obviously all these imperfections come off. You know, it has to feel smooth. So because when we prime it, you're gonna be able to see every single detail. So we need to, you know, like finished sanding, you know, down everything. So this is how it looks right now, and I think we're doing some progress. You see that is really bad. But you see here, he's getting there. He's getting there. Just a little more, and we'll be good. All this has to come out still. Over here, it looks amazing. It looks good right here. So, yeah, it feels smooth all the way here. So you can totally see the difference. So we're just preparing it for paint on the roof. So I still have to work on that. See that? It was peeling before. All the clear color was peeling, so